It is Tuesday, January 21st. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we have the beginning of a snowstorm that is hitting northern New Jersey. The current forecast as of 9 o'clock this morning is for 6 to 12 inches in this area. It's starting about 3 or 4 hours earlier than they thought it would start. Seven hours later, and it is snowing like crazy. The governor has declared a state of emergency, and driving is very, very nasty. Very nasty indeed. Okay, this is pretty tricky because it is very slippery. Yep. Somebody went sideways. It's 10 o'clock the next morning, and this is what Janus has left us. About 8 inches of snow here in northern New Jersey. It's very cold and just beautiful outside. Now it is time to do the cleanup. Got to do some shoveling. Almost finished. Looking good. Wow, it's warmed up to 11 degrees. I love snow. I don't mind cold weather. It's snowstorms are kind of like adventures, you know, they're exciting. And then afterwards you get this beautiful white covering. It's just gorgeous. Do you like this weather? Yes?
Yes.
Do you like snow?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I like snow.